What is up, everybody? It is that one guy. We're gonna just open this box up really quick, and this is gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna pull this stuff out just to show you what comes with this kit, and then we will head on out to the bike and throw this baby on to the Fat Bob. So first of all, for the 2013 Fat Bob, you don't need the signal stabilizer. If you have an older model, I think it's before 2012, I want to say, but I'll definitely put that there in the video so you can see. It's going to come with a stabilizer for your older bike. So we'll open up the box here and we'll show you what it comes with. It comes with 4 smoke lenses here for your turn signals. You can see they're all the same. And then you've got the 1156 for the rear turn signals. And then the 1157 for the front turn signals. Now, once we get out there on the bike, you'll see what the difference is between the two of these. They look the same here, but you'll see the difference when we get it on the bike. But again, if you have an older bike, it's going to come with a signal stabilizer. And because these are colored, and the different colors that you need, you don't have to have the amber or the red turn signal lenses. They can just be smoke or clear or whatever it is that you want to choose. But this is what comes with the kit, which is the smoke lenses. So let's go on and head on out to the bike to put these on.
5 minutes later.
All right, so we're out here with the bike. Now what you want to do is you want to find the little tab here where you can use like a key, and you want to be careful because you don't want to scratch the paint on your bullet turn signal here. But you can see my key already scratched this lens, but that's okay because we're just gonna pop it off. And this is going bye-bye anyway because we're gonna put the smoke lens on there. The 1156 is what goes on the rear. We're gonna pull out, all you gotta do is push in and turn counterclockwise to pull out the old bulb. Just gonna shove that in the box there. And then there's a ton of install videos like this, but just wanted to do one as well. Just to show you how easy it is to do this. Now, all you gotta do is shove do the opposite of what you did here, which is push in and turn clockwise. So you want to rotate the light around here to kind of get the wire kind of wound up in there, and then there we go. And then you're just gonna pop the lens in there. And that is all there is to it. So we're going to repeat that on this side. Oh, I just took these off last night. So that was loose on there. Pulling this bulb out is as easy as pushing in and turning counterclockwise. And then putting this in is as easy as pushing in and turning clockwise. And then we're going to wind this light cord up in there. Again, these install videos are a dime a dozen. There are a ton of people who've made this change on their bike, so I'm not the first one. It does worry me a little bit that it didn't click into place, but they're definitely not going anywhere. So that's the front, that's the back. Let's move on to the front. Pop that off. We're going to pop this other one off too while we're at it at the same time. There it is. So easy. Here's the front ones. Again, I don't know if you can tell, it's still pretty darn easy. Okay, so we're gonna pop the bulb out, same way as you did the back. Push in, turn counterclockwise, and then we're gonna replace it with one of these. What are those? Okay, same thing, find the slot, push in clockwise. There she is. I'm gonna use one of these smoke lenses to pop in here, and it's just a turn to wind that wire up in there. And then I'm doing this one all one-handed. Boom. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay, let's go on to the other side. Push in, turn counterclockwise, and then push in clockwise. So I got the last lens here. I'm gonna wind this wire up in there. And the length of this video is as long as it took me to make this install, so you know how easy it is by just watching this entire video. There it is. And that one snapped in. That's what I like to see. All right. That's all she wrote. Now I like this too, because now I've got the blackout Hogworks blackout LED headlights, and the now I've got the smoke lenses on the turn signals, and I like that more uniform look there. So I'm happy with that change. So let's go to the compare videos to check out the brightness of the Custom Dynamics LED turn signal kit. All right, let's check out the difference, guys.